This is how you use my simple, effective personal finance system. This is a spreadsheet. Shocker. It's mainly composed of this one master sheet that's got a few thousand rows in it. You can add more if you need it. What this does is keep track of every single transaction that you make. When you spend money, like I did here at CVS, you come in here and you put the date, you put where you spent money, you put the amount. I didn't spend $1,000 there. I spent $10 there. And then you put the category. This was a medical expense and the payment amount I paid with my ATM card. And then the balance is going to be calculated for you based on whether that was an income or an expense account. Okay, that's it. Like, that's all you need to know. That's how this works. You can go build this minimum version of it right now on your own. Keep watching if you want to know how we're doing some of the more fancy involved stuff. And the first thing we'll go over is the setup. So right here, it's not really fancy. It's just where you need to put your income accounts, your expense accounts, and then your payment accounts. Wherever you get money from, wherever you send money to, and how you send that money. All right, and as well as your starting bank account balance. That stuff is going to be used over here in the transaction sheet. The categories, pulling in those categories. If you add more, you can throughout the year and just it'll automatically populate the new ones. The payment method is pulling from the payment methods, and then it will detect whether or not it's an expense or an income account for reporting purposes right here in the type column. Same thing here in the month column, that'll detect what month you've spent the money in. I've got a reconcile and a clear column that I go through in this other more detailed video, as well as this slider up here, which basically filters out based on where or how you spent the money, like what payment method you use. That's more for just the reconciliation part. Again, check the video out that I did more in depth for that. That's how it works. That's how you can keep track of your finances one day at a time and one transaction at a time. I've been doing this for over 15 years. I've been doing it for most of those years with my wife also. We use the mobile app for Google Sheets. Excel's got a good mobile app that works well for this now too. And it's just been great for us. We know at a granular level where our money's going. We actually feel where it's going. And when we spend money on our credit card, like we do most of the time, we earn points because we're actually assuming that the money's coming out of the account, not that we're going to pay for it down the road. So just a mindset thing. I think Dave Ramsey would be proud of that. Over here, we've got an Analyze tab. I go into more detail with these charts, the minimal charts that I use in my earlier, more in-depth video. Check that out if you're interested in that, or the Search tab. If you want the sheet, go check out the description below. If you want to make the sheet, you should have all the information you need to just make one of your own version right now. Good luck with that. Let me know if you've done it and how you like it. Talk to you on the next one, and goodbye.